bird dog with a 5-second isometric hold on each side and each rep. This is an intermediate to advanced exercise. As soon as you master the motion, the range of motion here, you will be ready to do these. Extend the back leg, do not hyperextend. Keep a straight line, lock the knee out, raise the opposite arm, right by the shoulders. Do not look up, always look down. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep a tabletop position, shoulders over the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1,